Hi, my people. How are you doing? My name is Rose A, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. And today, my guys, I want to take you through some some changes. Can we say they are changes or what? I don't know. I told you sometimes back I was supposed to move from this apartment to another apartment because this is too old. It is way old. You can see even sometimes when I'm making my videos of cooking, the kitchen is old. Yani, it has stains. Not that it is not clean. It is clean, but it has stains. And that is why I was supposed to move to the other apartment. It is the same apartment, but the other rooms. But still some few touches here and there. But we are almost there. So today I want to take you through. I think I can only take you through our modern kitchen, how we have made it, how we have modified it, our modern kitchen. I think that is the only room I'll take you through. It is 99% done. We are not yet moving out still for some few weeks. Then I'll move to the other apartment. After that, I think I have a little time. I'll take you through how I make my smashed potatoes and honey glazed chicken. It is very sweet, by the way, and that is why today I've decided to make it together with you so that somebody somewhere, if you have time and you have the things, you can also try it. So, my guys, let's do this. Let me take you to the other side of the studio. Let me take you to the other side of the studio so that you see what we have managed to do with our modern kitchen. Then after that, we will come back to our old kitchen. It gives me stress because it has stains all over. It is the I mean the whoever told me that it is 20 years since it was renovated, since it was like painted. So now it has stains. Even how much you clean it, the stains will go out. So the only thing is to renovate it, remove some of the things, then renovate it, then it will be good. So we will be back in this old kitchen to make some delicious food. washed and chopped potatoes for boiling. You make sure you have this. You can cut in any kind of what shape you want, so long as it is boiled. I'll boil it with salt and a little bit of turmeric. That is the onion we are going to use to fry what? Our mashed potatoes. And this is the onion and garlic. We are going to use this. We are going to use this to make honey glaze. This one we are going to make honey glaze, and this one here we are going to use to make to fry mashed potatoes. Remember, with me, I love too much onion in my food. Maybe you don't like too much onion, you can substitute it. It is now time to marinate our chicken. Remember, I told you our chicken we have to boil it for roughly 15 minutes. Here is our chicken boiled for 15 minutes. I'm going to use ginger powder. I'm going to use mixed spices, and I'm going to use this one hot paprika to marinate, and I'm going to use the corn flour. This onion here, which I've already fried, I'm going to use it on a mashed potato. Not used. I'm going to use it on a mashed potato. So with all this, I'm going to take small portions to do what? To put. I want here we have garlic. Here I have garlic. So I want to marinate it in this plastic bag just to mix it to make sure. Here is our mixture wadao. And this mixture I'm going to mix it and then put chicken here and let it rest for some few minutes. So that is our boiled potatoes. I boiled it with a little turmeric and salt. Now I want to smash it in this sufuria here. I want to smash it. At this point you can add your butter if you have. I don't have the taste of butter. That is why I don't use it. At the same time, the best time to smash your potatoes is when they are still hot. It will give you easy time to smash, and again you will have that smooth texture. In this particular moment, I'll add my fried onions with garlic. Here we have also garlic. Fried onion with garlic, then it is our ready mashed potatoes. You can see, my guys, it is very smooth, it is very delicious, especially if you add onions. It is very delicious. You can take it with the tea, but today we are going to make it with honey glazed chicken and see how it will. So Wadao, here we are having our chicken, which has been marinated with the all spices that I showed you. So with this one you can also grill it, no problem, but me I don't have time. If you have time you can grill it. May have other things to do, so I'll just deep fry it and see how it will go. And here we have our onion. This onion is for making the chicken glaze. This is for making the glaze, that is the honey glaze. Here you can also use the butter if you so like. Me I don't like butter, so I'll not use butter. Here we are having our oil to deep fry the chicken. Let's see. So you can see, my dears, here we are having our chicken. The reason why for me to deep fry it is because I don't have time. I need quick things. It is songa. You see that color? I hope you can see, my people. I hope you can see it clearly. That is the color that we need. You remember, you don't put a lot of fire, just little bit. Oven unapiga kelele, microwave spin oven unapiga kelele hapo. We give it a little more time. The reason why for me to boil the broiler, me I don't like broiler. I think ni venye nimefanya kazi na broiler mpaka ikanibo. Broiler, I can't just eat it like that without boiling it unless I'm grilling it, which I know it will take much time in the oven. But when I'm deep frying it, I like to do what? To boil it a little bit. That one I'll make sure hizo fat zimetoka, and again I'll be very sure ndani imeiva than kuipika tu directly. Let's give it a little more time to cook. So with this one I'm just going to add honey. You can add also soy sauce, soy sauce here, which will be okay. Since I don't have it, I'll not use it. Yeah, so I'll let it boil. I'll let it cook at a low heat. This one I'll let it cook at a very low heat. Then I'll add it on the chicken after deep frying. That is our deep fried chicken. Yes. And here we are having our honey glaze cooking.